Ashmit, one thing in your life, one moment in your life when you had to toss and make decisions.
I think we have to make decisions all the time. Life is full of decisions, and I can't really pick out one particular decision which stands out. I think sometimes the smallest, decision that you make turns out to be the biggest one of your life. So, but if you ask me, maybe the decision to get into films and become an actor is a big one.
One thing that you have tossed out of your life.
Tossed out.
Yeah.
You toss out a lot of things every single day. I toss the past out. There's no point dwelling on the past. I live in the moment and try to, be in the moment and enjoy every minute of the day.
ओके जो आजकल ट्रेंड चल रहा है मतलब हिंदी मूवीज़ का इंग्लिश टाइटल जैसे रेस हो गया और कैश हो गया उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे
मुझे पता नहीं शायद the titles are apt for the film. Maybe that's the reason why. I don't know. Maybe हिंदी में जो title suit होता है वो this doesn't sound good or there is no particular word for that particular subject. I don't know what the trend is and I don't know anything about it.
Okay, Ashmit, how adventurous you are?
I like to think I'm very adventurous. I love adventure sport. I used to do a lot of adventure sport when I was in college. Skydiving and mountain climbing, things like that. But otherwise I'm cautious. I'm careful. I like to get an adrenaline rush, but in other things in life I'm a little cautious.
Have you tried bungee jumping?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Bungee jumping is one of my favorites. It's easy to do and it doesn't last too long. Not too much effort into doing it, and you get a great rush. So I love it.
शाहरुख खान का नाम सुनते ही आपका पहला रिएक्शन
King Khan.
ओके मोस्ट थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ योर्स
Thrilling experience. Oh, there's plenty. Every time I step on a set, I am thrilled. I love being on a set, and it just invigorates me, makes me feel alive, and I love being in front of the camera and making movies.
okay. Do you think that movie reviews should be banned before movie release?
No, I don't think so. I think they come out the day of the film and not before anyway. So everyone's entitled to their opinions, and it's just up to the audiences to know whose opinions to follow, either their own or someone else's. I would suggest you go by your own opinion and not others.
Okay.